What is... This isn't the clown I know. Ah!
Alright, Pokemon 2. Ah! Wario's ass fills the entire screen. Whoa! What? No!
Coral papers.
Ah! When Mario runs, the dust is massive. Ah!
And here we have the dry cleaning, which is fucked!
Drats, no sign of life. I'll remember this. The fuck does that mean? Ah! We just talked to this dude, and now we're talking to the dude again. Like, there is no— Ah!
The princess is now a permanent guest at one of my 7 Koopa hotels.
So does anyone remember something called the Wonder Swan?